Hello everyone, my name is Maksim Mukhametzianov and today I want to introduce you Material UI library. What is Material UI? It is a library of React components based on Google Material UI design system, uh, which can really help you to improve your development experience. Go ahead. Let's talk for a while about advantages of using Material UI. Material UI is ready-made components like buttons, model, slider, and whatever you need for build your application. These components have built-in styles and other uh, a lot of other useful stuff. For example, they are already responsive. You just don't need to focus on how it will perform on, I don't know, 80 pixel width of the screen or like 350. Normally, they are all already responsive. And it also saves you time. Built-in styles help you don't thinking about which color or size I should use. Instead of it, you just focus on business logic and develop much faster. It is very easy, and if you at least a bit familiarized with React syntaxes, you already know how to use Material UI. Um, Material UI also provide a lot of opportunities to customizing them, and we will talk about that a bit later. And last but not least, pause of Material UI is active community, where you can find code examples, tutorials, provided and very useful documentation, and just discuss opportunities of Material UI and related problems. Go ahead. Okay, in front of us is simple code example. It is just a text field. Here we paste property, label, username, and a variant outlined. We just don't have to apply any CSS. It is already styled like that. Isn't it amazing? Okay, this is two buttons, and for, one is contained, other is outlined, and this is how it's look like by default. Uh, for example, we have colors, and by default, like primary is blue, and color for errors is red. Uh, eh, but we easily can customizing that. Here is code example how you can perform it as well. Okay. For customizing that, just keep in mind as here we use color primary. Now I'm showing you how we can set these primary colors. One of the common way is create a theme. Uh, Here we can predefine font family, palette with colors. For example, here is this like primary color. Here is secondary color for like less important elements. We can paste whatever color whatever we want and easily use it in our code, as I showed in examples with buttons. It is but for using these themes, we have to apply this theme to application. We just wrap our application tag to team provider and team and pays team as its mm, probe as its probe. Okay. Okay, go ahead. Property. Uh, One more example with slider, like it is default material UI slider in front. By default, it is about 95% wheat and blue color. We just pass a couple of custom properties to the CX object, which contains which is object with custom properties of wheat and color. Color is like can be pasted as green and wheat is 300, so now it is not 95% wheat, and default value is not zero as it was but 30%. 30, yeah, 30%. Okay. Here is example of customization, H1 tag by global. So we just use global style and paste custom values for certain tags. For example, here is we customized H1 tag by pasting red color because by default it's black. So now we can see gray H1 element. It's like very easy and we can use it whenever we want. Okay. And one of the last topic which I can talking about is styled Unity um, to create a reusable custom component. For okay, here we just use styled with button from material UI library and paste custom height and width. It is 200 pixel, and after that uh, wherever we want in our application we can just apply button with this uh, um, predefined sizes predefined by us and keep customizing that, like variant is contained and color primary as we can use with default button. Okay. As summary, I want to say that Material UI is very um, useful tool which you can use for uh, bootstrap your development, make it much more fast. You just don't have to think about responsiveness a lot and or just simple logic. It's all on the this library. You just using components and do your business logic. Uh, I think it is the key why Material UI become so popular. If you still have never tried that, I strongly you can recommend you to do. It's all for today. Thank you for your attention. Bye.